Mercedes GLE 2022 plate for StarLine S96. Now what I can do is, on here we have the key and the tags present. So if I press unlock, I get 2 beeps to confirm the system is unlocked. 1 beep confirms its system is armed. If I unlock the device, get inside the vehicle, I can start the vehicle as normal. Now if I switch the vehicle off, and for demonstration purposes, if I go to arm the vehicle by locking the car, I see the mirrors are folded in. Now if at any point I open the vehicle door, or the door entry point is open, or I press the start button, vice versa, the sirens will kick off, plus the indicators will flash, and I'll also start getting a phone call notification. Now you'll see this by opening the door. There you go, so the alarm kicked off. Now if I was to arm the alarm system this time, so I'm going to arm the alarm system. There we go, that's armed. Now if I open the door one more time, the alarm system is going to go off again. You get indicators flashing. If I try and start the vehicle, can't start the car at all. Now on my phone here, I have a phone number which is calling me, which is the vehicle. I also get notifications such as tracking. I get remote shutdown features and many more. And just turn the system off, just unlock to acknowledge that we're here, and the phone call has stopped. Everything has come through as normal. There we go.